Hello, children. In our last session, we learned how Hitler spread his ideology and ruined the life of Jews. Today, we will learn about the impact Nazism had on its people and about the Holocaust. Ordinary people and the crime against humanity. The common people had different mindset. Those who supported Nazism felt hatred and anger for anybody who looked like Jews. They marked the houses of Jews and reported about neighbors whom they doubted to be Jews. They believed firmly that Nazism would bring prosperity and improve their well-being. Those who did not support Nazi ideology opposed it. The police prevented them from such action, but they did not give up and faced the consequences bravely and even went on to die. However, a majority of people were passive onlookers who did not show any concern. They were very scared to express their feelings, to differ, or to protest, so they preferred to avoid to act. Pastor Niemöller wrote a poem to describe the silent ordinary German. First, they came for the communist. Well, I was not a communist, so I said nothing. Then they came for the social democrats. Well, I was not a social democrat, so I did nothing. Then they came for the trade unionists, but I was not a trade unionist. And then they came for the Jews, but I was not a Jew, so I did little. Then, when they came for me, there was no one left who could stand for me. Now, let us understand the feelings of Jews about Nazi Germany through the eyes of an author, Charlotte Beradt, who secretly recorded people's dreams in her diary published by the name Third Reach of Dreams. She has said in her book that Jews became so vulnerable that they started thinking and believing what the Nazis told about them. They started thinking that they have hooked nose, black hair and eyes, and their movements were like rodents. The newspaper articles and movies left such a deep impression in their minds that the description started haunting them. The author says Jews died 100 deaths even before they reached the gas chamber to die. Children, just imagine, it would have been so difficult for the Jews. See, Germany was their country as much as it was of the Nazis. But their country was forcefully taken away from them. They were treated badly and humiliated, and they could do nothing. Now think, in such a condition, what could they have done? There was no alternative left with them. Whom could they have approached seeking help? So they underwent the sufferings quietly. Knowledge about the Holocaust. We have discussed the atrocities against the Jews in this chapter. But how can we be so sure about the information, especially about what Jews community underwent? For that, we have a collection of records maintained titled Holocaust. This document was preserved so that the future generation could learn about the atrocities and sufferings Jews experienced in Nazi Germany. Most of the information about the Nazi practices came out after the World War ended. Now, you may be wondering, why did it take so long for the world to know? This is because Hitler did everything so secretively that even the people who were taken to concentration camps didn't know what was going to happen with them. Moreover, he made them write letters home saying everything is all right before they were taken to gas chambers. So, how could the news have spread under such circumstances? But Jews wanted the world to know about the sufferings and atrocities that they had endured during the Nazi killing operation. Now, what could have been the reason? Probably they did not know what was going to be the outcome of the war and whether they would be alive to witness the day. But they wanted the world to know the entire truth about the Nazi Germany. In other words, they wanted to expose Hitler. So people in the concentration camps started writing diaries, kept notebooks, and created archives. As soon as the Nazi leaders felt that they were going to lose the war, they started destroying the evidences of their discriminatory actions by pouring petrol and setting things on fire. But unfortunately, they were not completely successful. As a result, a lot of written material could be retrieved in the form of Holocaust, which revealed to the world about the Nazi practices. Less known facts about Hitler. Hitler used to be awake and work late in the night and get up very late in the morning. Hitler was very lazy. He never liked doing any physical activity. Hitler was suffering from Parkinson's disease during World War II, according to Hitler's personal doctor of 9 years, Med Theo Morel. Hope you enjoyed the facts. Thank you.